This exercise asks, find two factor pairs of 15. Let's consider what we mean by a factor pair. When a number is divided by one of its factors, the answer is another factor of the number. The two factors are called a factor pair. Let's consider 15. The factors of 15 are 1, 3, 5, and 15. If I take the 15 and divide it by 3, where 3 is one of the factors of 15, we can see that the result is 5, which is another factor of 15. So we can see dividing by a factor of 15 gives another factor of 15. Let's home in on this calculation. You can see when we perform the calculation, we end up with the 3 and the 5, both being factors of 15. And the 3 and the 5 are referred to as a factor pair of 15. Now consider this. I've taken the 15 and on this occasion I've divided it by 5, which is a factor of 15, and you can see that the result is 3, which is also a factor of 15. I'm now interested in the 5 and the 3, and we can see that they, 5 and 3, are a factor pair of 15. Of course, the factor pair 3 and 5 are the same as the factor pair 5 and 3. They're just written in a different order. So a factor pair of 15 is 3 and 5. Let's now consider this calculation. 15 has been divided by 1, where 1 is a factor of 15, and you can see it gives the result of 15, which is also a factor of 15. So you can see I'm highlighting the 1 and 15, and that's because 1 and 15 are a factor pair of 15. Now consider the following calculation. You can see I've divided 15 by 15 because 15 is a factor of 15, and I get the result of 1. Now it is clear that 15 and 1 are both factors of 15. So when we've done this calculation, we can say 15 and 1 are a factor pair of 15. Now the 1 and the 15 is the same factor pair as 15 and 1. They're just written in a different order. Therefore, the answer to the exercise, the factor pairs of 15 are 3 and 5 are a factor pair of 15, 1 and 15 are a factor pair of 15. So the answer is 3 and 5 and 1 and 15.